Guys, so in today's video I'll be doing this hand and I want to be doing stiletto nails. So for this hand I realized that I should do my prep really well. My nails last, it's my dominant hand, so it's better if I do my prep properly on this hand and then peel off base coat on this hand. I actually do have a peel off for these nails. They're already lifting, but I'm not gonna try to show you now. There we go. I was just like, let me film this video, then I'll pop them off. But yeah, I just thought, let me do this hand. I'm gonna go on with primer. So I wanna do like, we're getting to Christmas. So if I do like red and gold, something along those lines. I do have an Insta picture which I will show right now. I think it's a very simple nail set, so I like that. So I'm gonna do that on my right hand, which I'm really excited for. So this time around, instead of using this rubber base gel, I am going to use the clear. So this is the clear one that I am gonna use. Excuse the dust, you guys, it's been sitting there gathering dust, but yes, I hope I haven't touched anything with my nails. But this is the rubber base gel that I'm gonna go on onto my nails. This is the clear one. As you can see, I did have like a little bit of the yellow. I do have a little bit of the yellow rubber base gel left on my nails. I don't like to file my nails all the way down because I use a what is it? I use a nail drill to file my nails down, so I don't want to hurt myself. I do burn myself here and there, but this is the nail sets that I am going to be doing. This is from Francisco Nail Designer. So yeah, I can't be using the yellow rubber base gel because these two nails, it's just essentially glitter and clear acrylic. So I just thought, okay, let me just use the clear rubber base gel instead. Right, so I have that rubber base gel cured. I'm just gonna wipe off the tacky layer using the gel finishing wipe. I'm actually really excited to do this nail set. Crazy. I've been really excited to do my nails lately. Yeah, I've really been excited to do my nails. Even when I did this nail set, if you haven't watched when I did these nails, I'm gonna link the video up in the cards right here. Please click on it and watch it. But I was really excited. I think that's why I think they turned out really good, because my mood was mooding, so yeah, I'm gonna use these stiletto nails from Shein. I have a lot of these Shein nail tips, which I love, because for an unemployed person, that has been a very good investment. So I already have the nails sized out. I'm gonna go in with this Q2 glue and put them on my nails. Right, so I have these tips on. I am gonna start with the glitter. I think it's safer to do that. Also to make sure that my monomer is clean, especially for the clear nails. So I'm gonna use this glitter, which I got from Shein. This is actually one of the glitters one of the first glitters that I got from Shein. I'm gonna use this glitter holder thing. If I can just get the brush, just to make sure that this is clean, because everything has been gathering dust, but yeah. So I'm gonna put on the glitters onto my nails using base gel. I'm not really good with acrylic to do that with acrylic, so I'm gonna use base gel. It's the pointer and the ring finger. So it's the index finger. And the ring finger. I wanted to use top coats, but I was like, let's use base coat instead. I don't think it's much of an issue, right? And then I'm just gonna pour the glitter over the nail. I think that's easier to do. So I hope I'm not too messy with that. Ooh, I am in love with that. Okay. I don't even think I need a second coat of the glitter. All right, so then I'm gonna cure that. I love these so far. Love that. Okay, so the glitter is cured, but one thing I want to do is I want to make it look like an ombre, right? So let me just, maybe I should get an ombreing brush so that the glitter that falls onto my nails, it ombres into my natural color nail. Okay, let me just find my ombreing brush. All right, so I have here my ombreing brush. Maybe I should like just apply this base coat again close to my cuticle area. I don't know, I don't want to ombre it. Like, I don't know how to make it look ombre, kind of, you know. I don't know how that would work. I really don't know how to do this. Oh, in fact, I don't even need to add more glitter. I can just use the excess. Okay, I love that. So I can just do this excess glitter so that it doesn't, like, I don't have like a straight line of glitter. Actually, I like that. So I'm just gonna cure that. I think it ombred well, right? Yeah, I'm gonna cure that. Right, so there we have the nails. I'm just gonna brush off the excess. Okay, and I think I'm gonna encapsulate these with base gel before I actually go on and use acrylic. So, okay, I'm just gonna put back my glitter. I actually love this thing. Like, it comes in so handy. Even though I am still messy, but it's better than losing a lot of my glitter, right? I might have to clean my paper towel because, child, I'm gonna be using this to wipe my acrylic brush. Right, like I said, I am gonna encapsulate this with base gel before I go in with acrylic. Just want to protect these. I don't think these change color with acrylic though, to be honest, but I'm just doing it just to be safe, because when I got these I was still into polygel and base gel. I didn't like acrylic, so I didn't really like try these with acrylic. I don't remember trying these with acrylic. Wow, I feel like this nail set is going on quick because I have like 10 minutes filming or film time right now, and I'm about to go through doing my red part, and then after this it's encapsulation, and that's all. So this is like a simple set. I think it's good enough for me to do with my like non-dominant hand, you know. So I am trying. Okay, this acrylic is drying quickly, but I haven't used this in a long time. Also, I love this red, I must say. Ooh, it seems like when I don't wipe on the towel, it runs, but when I do wipe on the towel, it dries quickly. So I just have to be quick with this then. It's drying on me. Behave. serious. Trail. Right, I've also learned to apply thin coats of acrylic because I used to apply really thick coats. Ugh, I've got a glitter stuck there. Oh my goodness. But no one will know. No one will know. So I think I am doing a pretty good job with applying thin and then just building the nail with encapsulation, the clear. So I'm gonna do the rest of the remaining nails the same way of camera, and then I'll be back once I encapsulate. Right, so I have already also encapsulated the red because I was using the same monomer that I used for application for the red. So now I'm gonna go on and encapsulate the glitter nails using a different monomer, of course, so that we don't have any red tint. So I just hope I hope I do this well, because sometimes I use very dry beads and the dry beads are cloudy. So let's hope they're runny enough to be like, you know, clear nails so you can see the glitter properly. I struggle still, so let's see how that goes. Okay, let's see how that dries. Hopefully it'll be clear by the time I am done with this nail set. Maybe let me add a little bit there, because I don't want these to be too thin, because I want them to last. So yeah, I guess the big reveal will be when I apply top coat to these nails after filing, of course. Right, so we have all the nails cured. I'm gonna go ahead and file these with my 100 grit nail file. I need to get an 80/80, but so far the 100 has been working pretty well for me so far. But you know what, it wouldn't hurt to get an 80/80 grit. This is the simplest nail set. I like it. Very simple. Didn't really take me that long. But I think I want to change it up a bit. Instead of keeping it this simple, maybe I should add like bling. I'll think about it as I file. So, yeah. I also feel like my application has gotten much better. Like, oh my goodness, what do you guys think? Especially the ones that have been around. What do you guys think about my application? It's not as messy as it has always been. Like, the application has been messy for the longest time, and it was just so much work filing. I mean, I didn't mind it, but I'm like, actually, the less work I got to do, the better. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Right, so I have filed all my nails, so let us remove the dust. I don't know if I should be using like a nail drill to like clean up my cuticle areas. I don't know, they don't look too bad. It's just I do have skin there that peeled off. I don't think it's that bad, so, or maybe I'm just being lazy. But I'm gonna go on with this buffing block and buff off my nails. Right, so I washed my hands. We can see a little bit of the scratches there still, but hopefully that won't show after we have top coated the nails. So like I said, I am gonna add a little bit of something to the nail set. I did put out my bling the way I wanted already, so I thought, let me put on bling. I know the nail set was pretty nice and simple. Wow, it was pretty nice and simple, but I just thought, let me add something to it, you know. But I'm gonna go on bit by bit because I struggle to keep the bling together when I try to put everything all together at once. So I'm gonna go on, cure, go on and cure. Alright, so I'm just gonna go on with the top coat. I have the gold placed where I wanted, the gold charms. So hopefully those scratches don't show under the top coat. So let's see how that goes. There's bubbles in the nails. Oh my goodness, but I did try. But there's bubbles. You can see the whites there. You can just, yeah, but it's okay. I think for a nail set I'm doing now, it's actually really, I think it's an improvement still, even though I'm not really happy about that. Ooh, can you see that? This is actually the first time I encapsulate glitter all the way with acrylic, because I usually use builder gel because I just find builder gel to be super clear, and I just never really used to find or really used to apply acrylic clears really well. Okay, not mad at that. Right, so there we have the nails. Wow, I don't know how I feel. I feel good though. I'm gonna go on with the cuticle oil onto my nails. It's just, I kind of thought I was gonna do them short, but I don't know. I've never had short like stiletto nails. I should try that because the inspo pick, they're not this long. So I had imagined them being a little bit shorter than this. But I mean, it's okay. I'm not really mad at them. I really like them, nice and simple. What do you guys think? Could I have improved this nail set in any way? If I could have, please let me know in the comment section down below. Leave me a constructive criticism of what I could have done to improve this nail set. If you have watched thus far, please leave a Christmas tree emoji to let me know, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share, honey, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.